You are going to love the 2019 Fusion Hybrid. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.